So ever since I started creating InShot tutorials, I've been getting this question on how to download InShot on your desktop, on your laptop. But while InShot has not officially released their InShot desktop version, I took it upon myself to find out how to download InShot on your personal computer, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get into it. It's like, this is my... Let's get into it. So we have to use what we call an emulator, and an emulator allows a PC to imitate the functions of a phone. So with an emulator, you can download apps that are just meant for phones on your laptop or desktop. And the emulator we're going to be using now is called BlueStack. BlueStack is an Android emulator, and the link to this will be in the description box, so download it. So now it's currently downloading and installing. So when you're done with the whole download and installation process, click on System Apps, Play Store. Quick tip: if you already have the InShot Pro and you want to access it on your desktop, make sure you log in using the Google account you used to initially purchase your InShot Pro on your phone. So I already did that, and click on Search and search for InShot. Click on InShot Editor and install. So when InShot is done downloading, on your home screen you can always see it here. Click on it and it's going to open up. Now, to edit videos in InShot, you have to import videos in BlueStack, and to do that you have to go to Homes, go to System Apps, go to Media, and then Import from Windows. You're going to access your files. So these are the videos I've already imported. So now we're going to go to InShot, Video, Allow, select the video you want to edit. So now this is how the user interface of InShot looks like. To add videos, you can click here and video, and all the imported videos you added to BlueStack can be added here. So you can select them, and it's basically the same with InShot on your phone. It's just more broad, you know, you can see everything at once. And now on InShot, you can add AI voiceovers, and I'm going to show you how to do that in my next video. So if you're interested, click on this playlist here for more InShot tutorials.